malayo akala ko palay siya. Ano kaya to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Sa malayo parang palay. Ito yung kanyang sa loob niya, ganito. Kunin ko nga.
Go!
Oh, nahulog ko naman. Para siyang palay, yung loob niya puti. Ito oh. I thought it's rice.
Don't eat it.
You cannot eat that. I thought it's rice. You can touch it, ate. Touch it too.
Don't eat it.
You cannot eat that.
No, mommy, eat the knife.
Okay, let's go now.
It's pickles, Daddy.
I thought it's rice. Tingin ko sa malayo. Rice. Let's go, guys. Let's go.